New espresso machine. They make this quick just for people who are working this weekend. Button here, flush. So we got shot timers for every shot, so there's no excuses for having the grind off. You can check it every single shot. No grounds on the edges. Hit your shot. Just put it in. Voila. Press any one of these three buttons. Get it closer.
It says you're moving hard too early. Yeah.
Check that out. Perfectly fluffy. No, nothing to bend on the outside. Distribute it. Tamp it nice and flat and even. Boom, look how clean that is. Load it up just like the old machine. These glasses are the only ones we're going to use now. They fit perfect in that double dripper. All these buttons do the same thing. Voila, it's already dosed and perfect. Got our shot timer going. Might be a little long. It's okay. Alright, I'll show you the steam ones while that's going. These are, check it, cool touch. No more cranking on this. You just got a nice lever action. Makes awesome latte art. So dial that stuff in and practice while you're here. Oh, 26 seconds. Look at that. Perfect. Go into a cup. Got another steam one over here. Same deal. Make sure to purge and wipe your steam wands every time. Do make it the first thing you do when you're done. Up here, let's clean this every day. These come off. We're not going to put anything up here. No sticky stuff, no cinnamon. But it has a drip tray, so you can put your shot glasses up there if needed. And you can have a cup for this kind of stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any sort of questions or concerns. It's a very expensive investment in the store. Hope you guys enjoy it.